Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the analysis, if you are new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. After watching this video, if you find some values, so subscribe and like. And below the video, you will find many links. The top 4 links are for those people who wants to make money in swing trading. Okay, so the first link says swing trading on automation, so you can click on this link, then come to this page here, and then this is the the software I have created, which you can install on your chart and start your daily swing trading. Okay, so maybe I'm the first human on the planet to automate daily swing trading, so I have transferred my human knowledge into this robot, and everything is created by me. So if you want to automate the whole process of daily charts into trading, then check out the first link below which says swing trading on automation. Then second link is about join free Telegram. So make sure you connect with my free Telegram at least if you want to get some signals every now and then, or you want to stay updated. So join Telegram absolutely for free. Just below that, you have a link which says join premium signals. So in case you want to get some premium signals, you can check that out. And then check out the brokers in the prop firm right here. And make sure you join these brokers because I have been using them for last maybe 4 years and more. And they have, no issues in withdrawals, because when you are into trading, the biggest problem is if your broker will pay you the money on time or not, or if they will run away with your money. Okay, so these are those trusted brokers in the pro firms. So go and join them to start your trading journey. Subscribe, like all of that, and check out these links. As I said, top 4 links are for traders, and these below links are for affiliate marketing. If you want to make money with affiliate marketing on YouTube or other stuff. Okay, so you can check out everything. Top 4 belongs to the traders, right? And especially if you want to automate everything, then check out the first one and come to this page. Watch this video to see the results. Now subscribe, like blah blah blah. Now let's start the analysis. All right, GBPUSD analysis today. So let's start the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are in the downtrend. Okay, so some people might be just waiting for the price to close below the EMA, and then they will say, "Oh yeah, we are in the downtrend," but that's too late, my friend. Okay, this confirmation comes from this candle. Okay, so the week which ended on 22nd of September. Okay, so this candle is your confirmation candle that we are officially in the downtrend. How? Because this wick which you see tried to touch the previous high but could not break it. Okay, so if you draw the line right here, this is the wick, this is your resistance. The sellers came into the market here on in this week, and they pushed the price down, continuing the downtrend. Okay, so if you're not sure here, because this was your one more signal that this candle in weekly was eaten by these candles, so this was your one signal, and this was your you know uh, time bomb signal. Okay, so this rejection here was the confirmation timestamp that now we are in the downtrend. Okay, so this is for only positional traders. Positional traders, take a look into the weekly time frame only. Okay, what does it mean? It means that you take a trade and you hold it for 6 months. That is called positional trading. Coming back to daily chart, in daily chart we are making new lows, so we are gonna go for a new low here. Okay, so look for shorts. Coming back to 4 hour we did break or have this engulfing candle. Okay, so look for shorts. That is what I have to say. On the other hand, I will recommend you not to trade dollar pairs in these uncertain situations with the US economy. Okay, so if you want to avoid, you can avoid USD pairs and trade non-USD pairs. There are too many opportunities. Otherwise, look for shorts only in GBP USD. That's what I will say. Right here, people must have lost the money if you traded dollar pair on Friday. Okay, this is the rejection which came on Friday when the news came, the CPI news. So you must have lost the money if you were not trading carefully. Anyways, trend is down. Look for shorts, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, subscribe, like, join free Telegram, join the brokers. So we discuss everything in the beginning. Get the software if you want, and I'll see you in my next videos. Till then, take care.